SEO is a great way to make your website more visible to search engine users. To get started, here are some quick helpful tips to SEO your website. I have a checklist for websites to see if they're SEO optimized. Let's go through it together. What I want you to do is pick a page on your site, whether it's your home page or maybe it's your most viewed page. Let's go through it together and see if you have all of the items in this checklist. Number 1, choose the right keywords. Research and identify the most relevant and popular keywords to use to describe your content, product, or service. This alone can do a lot of work in optimizing your website. Number 2, improve your page titles. Make sure your page titles are descriptive and include the right keywords. This will make it easier for search engine spiders to crawl your website and index your page properly. Number 3, optimize your content. So we want to take the copy that's on your website as well as the media files, photos, videos, and make sure that they're keyword rich as well. So the descriptions within your copy need to include those keywords. And then the alt text that's with your media files and your photos also are keyword rich. Number 4, make sure your website is available on all devices. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that when you are editing your website and before you hit publish, you want to look at multiple browsers. You want to see what it looks like on a tablet, what it looks like on a phone, as well as desktop. This will ensure that your website will be optimized for all devices. Number 5, build backlinks. Backlinks are links that are sent back to your website from other sites. So you want to make sure that Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, wherever people may find or come into contact with your information, there's a link back to your website. This can improve your ranking in Google. Number 6, monitor your progress. You want to consistently go through your website and review the analytics to ensure that your SEO is working for you. You can use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your site and see where you need to make adjustments.